Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. In this video, we'll be exploring ChatGPT, a groundbreaking conversational AI model. Get ready to learn all about it. ChatGPT is an advanced AI model developed by OpenAI. It stands for Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer, and it's designed to have interactive and natural-sounding conversations with users. Imagine having an AI companion that can understand and respond to your queries just like a human. What sets ChatGPT apart is its ability to generate coherent and contextually relevant responses. It has been trained on a massive amount of text data, allowing it to draw upon a wide range of knowledge and provide informative answers. ChatGPT truly mimics human-like conversation. The applications of ChatGPT are vast. It can be integrated into customer support systems, acting as a virtual assistant to handle common queries and provide instant responses. It can assist in language translation, content generation, and even be used as a tool for learning and research. While ChatGPT is an impressive AI model, it's important to acknowledge its limitations. Sometimes, it may generate incorrect or nonsensical answers. It can also be sensitive to the phrasing of questions. Awareness of these limitations is crucial when using ChatGPT. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a remarkable conversational AI model that brings the power of natural language processing to the fingertips of developers and businesses. Its ability to understand context and generate human-like responses is truly groundbreaking. The possibilities it opens up for customer support, content creation, and knowledge sharing are endless. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more AI-related content.